Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for February 27th, 2019. e.l.f. Cosmetics has announced that as of yesterday, they've closed their 22 retail stores. In addition, e.l.f. announced its president and CFO, John Bailey, will step down from his role effective March 31st. The possible reason for the shutdown? For the fourth quarter, e.l.f.'s net income totaled $9.6 million, down from $21.5 million in the year-ago period. e.l.f. products will still be available at retailers and at their website, elfcosmetics.com. Coming March 4th from Beauty Blender, 3 beauty helpers with specific jobs. The Leveler is a lightweight blurring primer in 2 shades. Opal Essence is a hydrating serum primer with fermented botanical extracts. And the Selfie Shield is an invisible SPF 38 dry primer oil with no flashback. Supposedly it protects from UVA, UVB, and HEV. That's blue light. According to Hello Giggles, Benefit plans to launch a gigantic size of their Hoola Bronzer. It'll retail for $44 and come with an extra large brush to be exclusively sold at Sephora. And finally, the Violet Voss Sugar Crystal palette is coming to Sephora on February 28th. That's tomorrow. Do these swatches appeal to you? Let us know in the comments. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.